Happy Monday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and I'd love to go over some of the options available for buying and selling here. Now, I want to bring up today the most expensive home that's sold this week here in the waterfront communities of Pinellas County. Yesterday, I went over what was the most expensive home that week that was listed, but here's the most expensive home that went under contract this week. Smith and Associates Real Estate listed a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, Mammoth 4,054 square foot home in St. Petersburg, Florida for, get this, $4,350,000. Now, if you want some more details about what made this house so valuable, first of all, waterfront views. It had over 87 feet of bay waterfront, and like I said, complete access to the Gulf of Mexico, no bridge to contend with. You had a heated pool, open floor plan, the works, but it was well appointed, well staged, and it was a beautiful home. And if you wanted some details about, how long was the house on the market, were there any price cuts, etc., then shoot me a DM or give me a call and I can give you some more details about the housing market in general. So, Christian Nabush, 727-303-1521, or CD Selling St. Pete, shoot me a DM and we can talk about what's going on in the housing market. Talk to you later.